What's up YouTube? We're back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be playing Chicken Farm. Okay, so what we do in this game, we buy chickens based off their tier, I'm pretty sure. Oh! The chickens drop eggs. The chickens drop eggs. The chickens drop eggs. Is it? Yes.
Oh yes.
Okay, I'm getting this game. We sell the eggs. We deposited 3 eggs. Why would I do that? To collect more cash. And now I can buy another chicken egg. Let's go. Launch the fruits base. Okay guys, in today's video, we are going to be, I don't know, just having a look around, playing this game. Yeah, let's look at, get some inspiration. Level 10 fried. And then we got a snowman chicken.
Get the f*** out of here.
The heck? Okay, we'll look at Danielle's base. Danielle, Ariel. We got a. Okay, so what I'm seeing from other people's bases is you can upgrade them to different tiers. Actually, I don't think so because no one's upgraded the basic one. And then we got Davis the Great Pooh. Oh, nah, this guy's base is actually pretty good. Is that a village? Minecraft? Oh my days. Okay, I think we can go back and collect our money now that we've kind of looked around the base. The place. Damn, so many eggs. 42 eggs. Collect cash. Oh, so it's... Wait, what? Where's my eggs? Selling eggs. Oh, it's 1 per second. Okay, well, let's make that higher. So I can collect them fast over time. Buy another. Oh, two new additions to the chicken flock. And I'm just noticing now, these chickens are actually from Minecraft. And if you're an OG viewer, right, of my channel, you'll remember when we played Minecraft that one time. Interesting. Okay, we press this button, and now we have a duck. It's a duck right there. Let's see what... Oh! So, the duck gives us 5 eggs. The duck just lays them like crazy, I guess. How is 1 egg worth 5 eggs? Does not make sense. I guess this whole game doesn't really make sense. In real life, you don't have ducks and chickens laying eggs like this. Well, like this, because you actually do, but not like that. Some money. 65 cash. Let's buy 5. Oh, baby. Now we got 5 chickens. We can merge all of them. Now we got a level 3 dirt duck. Dirt chicken or whatever. Wait. Okay. I thought I got scammed for a second. Because I seen it give us 5 and not 25. And I was like, worried that for a second. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a new mic yesterday. So, I don't know if the quality sounds better or worse than old videos. Deposit 75 eggs. Yes. Join event. Yo, get out of my face, bro. 50 eggs, deposit it. Upgrade per second speed. Oh, that sucks, bro. It like drains my money as soon as I stand on it. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, we could try by 25 instead of just 5. Because I think 25 might be a better deal, but we will be having to do a lot of saving.
Okay.
This dirt duck is like really good. He's kind of carrying right now. He is carrying. He's a combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then plus 1. Then that made the dirt duck, so he's like 7 ducks in 1. It's very interesting. Okay, and 255, hence why my moment of excitement was so short-lived. And it's kind of like a metaphor, you know, for real life and how you can't take things for granted. 25 chickens! Oh my days. Whoa. Bro, someone's gonna walk on my base, see the chickens, and just get instantly shot up, bro. Like, look at that, that's a whole army. Oh my days. Yeah, it was definitely worth buying the 25. And now, all my whole army can disappear. Bam. Oh, I got a bee chicken. And it's tier 4, and I got a bunch of tier 2 ducks. That was crazy when we bought the 25. I wonder what the 100 is gonna look like. The 100 auto merges. It's slightly depressing, but whatever. Because I wanted to see my chicken army. 90 eggs. Wow. Who's buying all these eggs, by the way? I know this is just a game, but who in real life needs to buy this much eggs? Probably like big businesses or something. It's probably actually. I don't know. That was a silly question. Oh, wait. A lucky block. Oh, a lucky block. Oh my days. What is in this lucky block? Costs 100. This is easy money. Let's see what we get. Oh, another bee. Just for 100. Oh my days. Oh my freaking days. Oh my gosh. Now we make... Okay, so that one's 1, that one's 5, so then 6, and then 11, and then 11 plus 25, and then 50, so then 50 plus 11, 61. We're making 61 eggs. I'm guessing they all drop at the same time, around the same time. 61 eggs at the same time. That's pretty good. Eggs and multiplier updating and what? What's that? Oh, frick! I thought we could catch it for a second. Okay, well, what is this? Does not make any sense. But 2,600 eggs, nice. Oh my days! What am I doing? I should have tried buying the 25. Dang it. And then I could have had 3 bee chickens. Well, that's fine, actually. I'm making a lot of money, so just upgrade that per second. Because it doesn't really affect me that much, you know? And now look at that. We're getting our money back, like, pretty easily.
It's time to get off now.
Oh, what's that?
It's time to get off now.
I have to jump off now?
Yes, jump
I
off.
have to cut this video short now?
Whatever, man.
Okay, well, I've been Jonte, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.